Jagaban. They say failure is an orphan, but success has many families. Suddenly, Jonathan, that was an Ogogoro master, that you people rubbished in 2015, Jonathan that you say is clueless, Jonathan that you senior has suddenly become an elder statesman. The inspiration can be defined in two different ways. You can imagine the country that the youth who protest in 2020 NSAS were killed, and you ask what were they doing there, how did they find themselves there? You are now today saying that the country is a place of free speech. Jagaban. How many times did I call you? Jagaban. The bat is starting flying in the daytime. When I watch this video and see what I'm talking about.
Welcome to visit.
I will come, sir.
You can interview us. A nation of freedom of everything, speech, visitation, and collaboration, and respect to another statesman.